let's start. So today we're gonna learn about the order of operations. What is the order of operations? Let's see. Do you remember about the old classes? Today is a new class, like new chapter. You have 4 chapters to learn before the first midterm. Okay. Ruxana, talk to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Yeah, you keep your microphone unmuted. You're gonna interact with me today. So we're gonna learn what? Order of operations. Okay, or calculation, you can say. Let me get my pen tablet and uh, write it down. Hmm. Order of operations. Order of operations as in like, you know about BODMAS? Does
Who?
any, okay, does any one of you have problem with the blackboard? Shall I make a whiteboard for you?
Sir, couldn't get it.
No. Do you like blackboard or whiteboard?
Blackboard.
There's no matter.
Very good.
Blackboard is good.
Okay. So do you have to know about the technique? It's called BODMAS. What is BODMAS stands for? This one is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, never mind. B is bracket. Okay. O is order. D is division. Try to put them in the copy, but if you are slow and didn't put them in the copy, watch them in the video. Okay, pause it and watch it. Addition, subtraction. All right. So this is called BODMAS. So what is the order over here? How are we gonna use this thing to solve the problems? Come on, Ruxana, read this. Read this first thing.
The convention computation of rational numbers is the set for whole numbers. That's working from left to right. The multiplication or division before addition or subtraction or you verify the expression within brackets first.
Good. Thank you very much. So the thing concept says that the convention for computation of rational numbers. What do you know about rational numbers? We know about rational numbers from real numbers, right? Rational and irrational. For can you give me some examples of rational numbers, Ruxana?
I'm not sure, but 3.4. Is it okay?
Yeah, 3.2. Yeah, it's fine. I didn't hear because your voice it's a little bit cut out, but rational numbers look like this. Okay. So the convention for computation of rational number is the same as that for whole numbers. Whole numbers are 3, 2, 1. That is working from left to right. Like look at this. This from left to right. All right. The
Yeah.
number 7 times 8 plus 6 times minus 6, 9 is from left to right.
Yeah.
Do multiplication or division before addition or subtraction. That says that we do the multiplication before the addition and subtraction. Okay. Hmm. But when brackets are used, simplify the expression within the brackets first. But when the brackets are used, you do the brackets first. That's easy to understand with BODMAS. Okay. So make a whole point of view out of it. Like the order of calculation, what is written in the first paragraph is that you learn to do mathematics from left to right. Okay. And you follow the law of BODMAS, like do the brackets first, then order is DMAS, like this one, like division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So order can be also said or something like that, off, but it's not necessary now. You just follow an order, that DMAS. So what do you have to solve first? First the bracket, then the division, then the multiplication, the addition and subtraction. Remember? Easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is easy, because if you see a complicated mathematics like this, like all lots of number, you put it, some people just put it in the calculator. Yeah, calculator is helpful. It's created for doing mathematics for us, but it's not useful when it comes about your mental calculation. Okay, like the one that you do inside your head. So inside your head, like calculator, you have this BODMAS rule. So that is what is necessary for solving this problem. So how will you solve it? Like this: 56, 54, 2. Okay, what he did is 7 times 8 is 56 plus
56.
then the negative of 9 multiplied with 6 is negative 54. All right, and you get
Yeah.
2. Answer 2. You have to write solution, or don't write solution. The way that you write it, feel comfortable, just solve the problem, put the answer in the answer. But all, you don't have to do that. You just make the answer, type it down or write it in your copy. And always remember, not always, I do that, so you can follow that 9th, or today is 9th February, right? 9th February
Yeah.
2022. Okay. And today we are learning mathematics, or you can say maths, or you can say the order of operations. Okay. Or you can say mathematics, or, and then I put my name, instructor Mr. Ishad. You put your name Ruxana, you put your name Nigina, Robina. They're not here today. Robina, Nuria. Okay. And please attend the classes for future. It's important for you, because now the January has passed. January has passed. The online classes are almost done in January. Then after February, you have a midterm. Easy midterm. What is it? Ruxana, tell me, midterm is? What do you have?
Easy.
What do you have to do?
Well,
I'll tell you. Why is it easy. You learned number system, right? All of
yeah.
like previous class, I told you about number system. There was 1.8 till here, or I did like, what is it? Where's the number of order? Okay, there is not.
Sir, when the online classes will be finished and
No.
will come the
The
classes?
exam can be happen online. Okay, I can take the exam
Okay.
here in front of you. So I'll Feel free to answer my questions like this. Try to be honest. Try to be honest. Do the mathematics by yourself. Don't use the Google or any calculator while you're doing it. But you can do it. How will I know? You can you can do whatever you want in a university. In online classes, it's much easier to cheat. But cheating is a choice. Cheating is a choice. You whether do it or not do it while in online. Okay. Okay, then the number system we learned about the numeration. Where is it? Oh, you cannot write it here because it's opened in something else. Okay, we know about factors and multiples. We know about natural numbers, factors, multiples. Okay, then prime numbers, highest common factor, least common factor, number patterns, variables, basic number laws. All of you know about it because I taught you, right? You just, if you feel
Yeah.
like, if you feel a little bit, what, oh, I have doubts in it, there are books. This is a book, all right? You starting from the beginning of 1.8. Yeah, it's 1.8. Yeah, starting from the beginning, you just read it. How long does it take to read from here to here? Only 3 minutes, I think. And then again,
Yeah.
and again try to read it twice. Okay, then if you read it, you understand this thing, it's written over here and it's done over here. Okay, and then also read this, and then take some hours. Sometimes it takes hours to solve these questions. Okay, there are lots of questions. You can solve the book in your copy, and I told you to make 3 copies. Okay, one for class, one for rough as in your practice. Okay, and one for what, note. All of you who are watching the YouTube videos and didn't attend the classroom, please follow the rules. Please. You don't have to, there's not like liability that you have to follow the rules because you're in university. Everything that instructor says, not written in like rules and regulation. Follow the rules and regulation. Listen to your instructors. It's not a rule that I tell you, just follow it, and then maybe you can be successful. You will be successful. Believe in yourselves. Okay. So easy
We
way
will
to,
be
you will
because
be.
we are tigers.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Because you guys are tigers. So tigers don't lose battles. Tigers win battles. The other animals, there are kangaroo, there are mouse, there are elephant. Who is the king of all of these animals?
The tiger.
No, the lion. Lions are the king of the jungle.
Yeah, lion.
Okay. Okay. And in the lion, when they go to sleep, they cannot sleep because they're afraid of the tigers. Remember that. Like, get that, the lions. You guys are the kings, but you're afraid of tigers. So in Bangladesh, you will learn royalty. Okay. Like the Royal Bengal tigers. So that's it. That's what you have to understand. Like you understand what you have to understand. You just learn mathematics. You don't have to learn about animal kingdom. Understand? So we're gonna continue. So there is the number system. So you learned about number system. Midterm is gonna be easy for you. No worries if you get 0 out of 100. I don't mind. You will get eventually 100 out of 100 one day. So let's start with solving some mathematics problems here. Yes. 1.8, 1.8, 1.8. No, not here. Order of operation. We were studying something different. I forget. Hmm. This is unnecessary. February, end of February is you have like 20 days more. In 20 days, you're gonna learn three more chapters. Today is the only day for order of operations. After today, I'll give you the what is it called? The worksheets. Provide you the worksheets. You're gonna solve there are kind of like 8 worksheets. Okay, submit as much as you can. Okay, I will give you marks based on that 8. Those 8 worksheets are really easy. They're based on the number system. Okay, just give me a second. All right, can you guys hear me? Oh, I think I dropped my microphone. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start with the mm, mm, mm. Hmm. Hmm. There is order of calculation. Okay, let's solve B. The question is read. Minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 times 1 whole 1 by 8. Okay, and then solution will be minus half divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 8 are 8, 8 plus 1 are 9.
9.8.
Yeah, 9 by 8.
Sir, we do first
Mhm.
solve the
Mhm. Your voice cut out, dear. Can you tell me again?
uh, sir, I said first we should solve the bracket.
Yeah, these are
Okay.
the brackets. Okay, so the mathematics beside inside it, we're gonna solve it. So this is a mixed number, so I made it improper fraction. Mixed fraction, it's an improper fraction now. 1 by 4. If don't worry if you don't understand every word that I say, like fractions, improper fractions, or anything, you don't have to go to the details. You just have to solve the mathematics. Remember, I can also make mistakes. If you see mistakes, tell me. Okay.
No.
Okay. Royal Bengal tigers. I'm fascinated by Royal Bengal tigers, by the way, because it's our national animal. That's why. Okay. Let us solve something from here. What we solved, we got the answer minus 4 by 11. Now we're going to explain the rule bod mass. Okay, what happened here? Let's analyze. Which color do I want to pick? Ruxana, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. So this is the question. You see the bracket over here. It's bracket. Ruxana, how do you pronounce bracket? Tell me.
Bracket.
Yeah, very good. And then what is this? Order.
Order.
Order. We don't have order over here, but it's fine. Order can also be like DMS, DMAS, like the ones are here. Okay, it can also be meaning like something like this. I think, I'm not sure, it's my point of view. Okay, it can be wrong. I learned Bodmas when I was in school, when I was a kid. Okay, like you guys. Oh, you're not kid, you're like a little bit in the university. Okay, when I learned Bodmas, I was in school. Also, you learned Bodmas, I think. So some of you forgot some rules, some of you remember it. So here we're gonna share opinions and learn a little bit of mathematics and solve them. So then division, then there is a division, but we're gonna solve it here. Like after completing the bracket over here, okay, it's finished. The bracket is gone. Then the division has to be solved. The division was turned into multiplication. And we know that if you change the sign of the division to multiplication, you have to change the position of the numerator and denominator. Understand?
Yeah.
Ruxana, what is 8? A numerator or a denominator?
Numerator.
No, it's a numerator. The one.
What is that, sir? I don't know.
Okay. If you see the fraction a by b or 8 by 11.
Oh, I know in Persian, but I didn't know.
Yeah, tell me in Persian. Please tell me in Persian. I don't know how to write it.
8 suratas. Surat.
I don't know what you say.
8 surat, and 11 makhraj.
Surat Maharaj.
Surat makhraj.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Surat Maharaj, right?
Yeah.
We say lob or in Bengali. Oh, that's so nice to know about other languages. So numerator and denominator. So what happened is like this thing comes up, this thing goes down. That happened here. Okay. And then you solve the multiplication. It's a multiplication, you can see. Okay, there's no bracket, I just gave it for you understand. Here's, if you multiply this with this, you get 2 by 4. Like 2 divided, you divide 2 and you get 1, you divide 4, you get 4, and you get minus 4 by 11. I think it is correct. Let's see. No, it is not. Yeah, it is correct. I got scared even when I'm teaching mathematics. Okay, sometimes all of us does. Okay. So what you have to do is to solve it like this. Just solve this question. These all things are easy. All right, isn't that easy, all of you?
It is like a piece of cake, sir.
Yes, it is like a piece of cake. I don't need another class for this.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have solved number system for now, all of you, number system, and then you have solved order of operations. The Afghani students, the ones that are not here yet, or the Indian student Zwali, she is not in this class. What we will do, we will help them. All right, if if I'm not available, I'm gonna go to office. Okay. Brrr. So if you guys see her, let her know the video will be uploaded at night, in the night. Till now, just solve the what? The PDF. Understand? Solve the
Yes.
PDF that has been provided to you by your instructor. Try to
Yes.
solve it by yourself. I am your instructor. Remember that I am instructing you to do mathematics. I'm not your what? Your brain. I'm not your brain. So you have to do mathematics in your copy, and your brain will remember these things, and you will be leopards again. Okay, so that's it for today. I will take attendance. Did I take attendance from you? Stop sharing, and let's the attendant comes. Okay, Ruxana Jalali. Ruxana.
Yeah. Sir, I'm
Present,
present.
sir. Yeah, you're present. Nigina
Present.
Raufi. That's how you pronounce your name? Nigina Raufi, right?
Yeah, Nigina Raufi.
Nigina Raufi. Nuria Amiri.
Yes.
How do you pronounce your name, dear?
And pronounce N-O-U-R-I-E-H. Is correct?
Nuria.
Yes, Nuria.
Nuria Amiri.
Yes.
Very good. That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
All the best. Till we meet the next time. The next time will be the next Sunday. Okay. You can find me in the chat. You can find the videos in YouTube. You can solve the worksheet. You will get marks based on the worksheets that will be provided today or tomorrow. Okay. Or some other day. Make sure to solve the worksheets. I will give a deadline, but it's fine. You can skip some if you don't know. Okay, skip it. If you don't know, skip it. If you make mistakes, it's okay. If you want help of your friends, you can ask them. You can do together, but do the worksheets. Okay, because it will contain a little bit marks for your semester. Just remember, it's a little bit. Nothing, considering that you're going to be a tiger one day. So it's not a must thing to do. Try to be attentive and polite and humble and brave. Okay, see you.
Okay. Goodbye.
See you. Have fun.
Have a great day, all of you.